Welcome to the second lecture on structuralism. In our previous lecture, we had studied the theory and concepts given by Claude Lévi-Strauss, the basics of structuralism, and in this lecture, we are going to cover Edmund Leach. So, Edmund Leach was a British anthropologist and a student of Malinowski and Raymond Firth, and he did his research of fieldwork among the people of Burma and published his book Political System of Highland Burma in 1954. So what Leach argued was that real society real society was full of inconsistencies, but models were always in harmonic equilibrium, and thus there was a need to distinguish between social system as real and as a model. So what he argued that Strauss gave a model while Leach tried to present a real social system which was model plus reality. Model plus reality. So how did he elaborate on this theory? It was through the study of traffic light system. So what was the study of traffic light system? So traffic light system was nothing but a transformation of color spectrum, which is expression of structure of human mind, similar to theory of Strauss. And mind uses the extremes of red and green. So mind uses the extremes of red and green to build a binary opposite, which is to stop and go. These are the binary opposites, and also creates a logical center which is yellow to mediate between these two extremes. So this is his theory of traffic light system, and we see how he had built upon the theory of Strauss and made it more real. That is the real system or real model. So unlike Strauss, he applied structural analysis on a particular society and its institution, that is, upon the Kachins of Burma, and hence he was against the Strauss belief of universality of human mind, and argued that the structure of human mind was also conditioned by the particular society and its beliefs. He also presented a structural change among Kachins of Burma, and this was to the social system or the political system followed. And there were two types of system found. One was the egalitarian, who were called the Gumlao, who practiced a form of democracy, and others were hierarchical, known as Gumsa, who practiced aristocracy. And a mixture upon these two was found, as we can see in this traffic light theory of mediation of yellow. So a mixture between these two extremes was found in the Kachins of Highland Burma. And he was also flexible in his approach and argued that even the Gumlao changed into Gumsa with time when attacked by neighboring Shan tribes. So when the time comes, or when it is required, or when they are attacked by their neighbors Shan, they change into hierarchical Gumsa or an aristocratic form of government more suitable to fight such attack. Now coming to the critique of structuralism. So first and foremost, it was static and ahistoric, as we can see that it cannot tell how a particular culture developed, and it is only concerned with structure of human psyche, and it cannot account for social change since it is static, and it does not account for human individuality as it is mostly concerned with structure of society, and it assumes that human thought is uniform and universal, which is not the case. And there was a lack of proof, and theory was merely based upon assumption. Does not account for cultural variation, especially the theory of Strauss. And feminists were critical of Strauss because he treated women as objects of exchange. So this was about the theory of structuralism, and in our next lecture we will start with culture and personality school. Thank you.